details. Why the reconciliation prayer?
It's even reconciliation prayer, praise and worship. When you praise and you worship God, He comes down. We've always believed in Rivers State that we need peace, we need tranquility. Rivers State is a peaceful state from the moment of its creation. The fact that we are where we are today is not the desire of Rivers people. That's not Rivers people. What's happening is not Rivers people. And we always believe that at the end of the day, we have no one else to turn to but God. And that's why these Rivers Women Unite for Sim have always done praise and worship and constantly praying for peace, for tranquility. Whatever is going on between politicians, let God bring peace amongst the people of Rivers State. It is Rivers State people that should govern Rivers State, not people who are not Rivers State people. In every state is like that. Rivers State should not be different. But at the end of it all, we give God the glory, we give God the praise, we give Him the honor. That at the end of the day, whatever the devil has meant for evil, we know that God has already turned it around for good. We're thanking Him.
So what will be your call to the President and the political stakeholders?
Definitely, the call today, as it has always been, is that the President should reconsider and let us have a recall of the governor of Rivers State to come back and govern the people of Rivers State that have voted for him. I believe, as I believed in the past, that the president today himself fought for democracy in this country. We know the years that he fought for democracy. He had to be exiled out of Nigeria until 1999, 1998, when he came back and ran for governor of Lagos State and became the governor. And so he's a Democrat. Rivers State will not be different. Rivers State is a democratic state. It's part of our lifestyle. It's part of our system. We believe in democracy. And so I'm calling on the president that 2 months, we're now going into 2 months. On the 18th or so of this month, we'll make it 2 months. We're looking towards so many democratic presentations, days are coming up. We're calling on the president that he should consider recalling the governor of Rivers State. The reasons that were given for the suspension of the governor and the deputy governor obviously has turned out to be incorrect. It's not true that there were crises. It's not correct that there was crisis in Rivers State. And what he was told, I believe that the president knows that what he was told is incorrect. And based on that, I believe that the president will sooner than later recall our governor to come back and govern Rivers State, do it peacefully. And at the end of it all, nobody is against the president in Rivers State, whether it's in 2027 or whatever time. We're not against the president of Nigeria. We're interested in good governance and democratic governance in Rivers State.
Thank you.
Thank you.